Hi guys, this is Ruchi from Easy Peasy Gardening. It's winter time and there are not that many flowers, annual flowers that bloom at this time. But pansy is one such flower that you can grow it from seeds in fall and it will bloom beautifully in winters. So today I'm going to show you how to grow pansy from seeds. Pansies like cool weather, so it is great to sow the seeds in early fall or in early spring. They can tolerate a little bit of frost, so the winters, like I am in zone 9B, it doesn't bother them. It's funny, it looks like pansies have a face, and they come in so many different colors, a combination of yellow, purple, white, maroon, that you don't need any other flower with them. You can just put a few pansy plants in one container and it will be all multicolored by itself and will look nice. Like all flowers, they like sunny location, but too much sun, as I said, because they are a cool weather plant, if they get a lot of afternoon sun, they may not grow as well. It's the beginning of fall. I'm in zone 9B and I want to plant the pansy seeds today. So I have the pansy seeds here. They are really tiny. So I'm going to just, I have this general purpose potting soil mix, and on that I have added a little bit of perlite and some coco peat to reduce the organic matter. I'm going to just scatter these seeds in here. And pansy seeds take long time to germinate, so I'm going to keep this planter inside where it gets some warmth, and then I'm going to cover it lightly with more coco peat and perlite mixture. Very little because the seeds are really tiny. And the soil was already hydrated. Even the coco peat is moist, so I'm not going to water it any further. I'm going to just leave it inside. I'm going to cover it lightly with a lid, and as they start to germinate in 2 to 3 weeks, I'll keep you posted. It's been only 1 week and a lot of pansy seeds have grown. I'm really happy. So now I have removed the lid and now I have brought it outside so that it gets, proper sun, because I had taken it inside to keep it warm. But now that the seedlings are growing, you don't want to make them leggy. If they stay inside, if they don't get sun, they'll become leggy. You want them outside so they become strong. It's been 2 weeks and our pansy seedlings are doing really great. I can see the growth, and it is raining every day. So sometimes I cover it with this lid so that they don't get uprooted, but otherwise they're doing great. So our pansy plants have been growing well. They are about 1.5 2 inches tall. I mean, in my opinion, they're not ready to be transplanted, but I'm going to be away for 4 weeks. So I want to take that risk and I want to transplant at least a few of them. And if they don't survive, that's fine. When I come back, I'll transplant the rest of the plants. So, I mean, these are like really tiny. So I doubt that they will survive, but I'll just take a chance because of my situation. And because it's mostly coco peat, it's not easy to just separate them out. As far as the soil is concerned, always use loose soil and rich soil. I mean, they're not very fussy, but it's better to start with a good soil. The root system and everything is pretty strong, but you can see that they're pretty tiny. So I'm just going to plant them 3 to 4 inches apart. Since pansies have a long season, once they settle in and start to grow and they look healthy, you can start fertilizing them, general purpose fertilizer, once a month. So that way they'll stay healthy and they'll keep producing flowers for a long time. The root system is pretty strong, so that's a good thing. Even though they are tiny, the roots are strong. And I'm going to fill this up with soil so that the exposed roots are not affected. And I'm going to water them because the soil is pretty dry, and we'll see. It's been 3 days that we transplanted our pansies and they look just fine. So now I'm going on vacation and we'll see what happens. It's been 6 weeks that I transplanted these plants and they look beautiful. They are growing and they are healthy. Our pansy plants have been growing well. They haven't grown too much, but I can see that they are healthy and they are strong. And now I am seeing some flower buds. So can't wait to see them blooming. And maybe, I'll fill up more plants here because there's enough space on the side. And now the pansies have started blooming. And I can see another one appearing here, another bud, another bud. So it's coming along. And whatever was left over, even here, I see buds forming. So as you can see, now most of the plants have started blooming. Of course, these plants will grow a little bit more and they'll become a little bushier and take up the whole space. In winters, although they are winter hardy, they still are slow in growth in winter. So as the weather starts to become a little bit warmer, they'll grow more and they'll start to produce a lot more flowers. If you just want to plant a few plants, then you go out and buy the plants from the nursery. Otherwise, as you can see that I have so many different places where I have pansies growing, so I don't want to buy from the nursery, so I just grow them from seeds and they just grow beautifully. And you just have to make sure that you water them regularly and they are in a sunny location. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.